Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related that survive. I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my May Ice Cream Beauty Box unboxing. And it is in a completely different package this month because I believe it's because the palette was way too big to fit in their normal box. So if you want to see everything that came in the May box this month, then let's go ahead and get on into it. Alright, so this normally comes in a box, but this month it's in this bubble mailer. But it's $29.99 a month, and you're guaranteed 5 to 7 full-size items for a retail value of $120 a month. I'm going for the card. Usually every month now we're getting to make a choice product, but I know that that's not guaranteed. And your choice is usually like a shade product. But this month, it was a choice of a highlighter or like a blush bronzer from Ofra. So yeah, there is always a card which tells you all your products. It gives you a blurb. It gives you the price. It is themed. So May is Legends Blossom. So here's our card. On the back, it has your QR code, and it always says a little thank you from the team at Eyescream Beauty. So we will look at that as we go. And yeah, this is the first time I've ever gotten it that it hasn't been in a box. But like I said, I believe it's just because the palette is so big. So I'm going to try not to get, I want the palette to be last. So we're going to pull Bubbles. So this is our choice product. So this is from Ofra, and I chose the All of the Lights highlighter. And I'm going to be really careful because I'm going to throw this in that giveaway box that I have going out. So I'm going to put this right back in this bubble wrap, which is why I picked this, because I didn't think the blushy bronzer was pretty. It wasn't something that I personally wanted. Let me grab mine. All the lights. Where would you be? Where do I keep my highlighters now? I reorganized, and now I don't know what I'm doing. Is it this one? Yes. So I used to have a mini mix palette, which is where I got my All of the Lights, but I decluttered the palette, but kept my All of the Lights highlighter. So when I use this, I swatch all 4 shades together. I don't know what all 4 of the shades are. Let me see. Does it tell us here? So this retails for $35, so you could have gotten this All of the Lights highlighter or the California Dream compact. So it includes Rodeo Drive, which is a sun-kissed soft gold, Pillow Talk, which is a pearl pink, Star Island, which is a warm ivory, and Blissful, which is a golden bronze with a rose undertone. Those are the 4 shades that are in here, which I believe it's going that way. But when I use this, I just go in the center and swatch all 4 to get this beautiful color. And I really like this highlighter, which is why I chose it for the giveaway, because I figured really anyone with any skin tone could wear this, because you don't have to mix them. You can use just 2 and 2. You can get a smaller detail brush and just use one of the shades. So I figured this would be really nice for the giveaway winner since I already own it. What does it say here about the California Dream? So it was a bronzer blush that included a matte bronzer to contour and deepen the skin's complexion, a shimmer bronzer to highlight and brighten the face and chest, and a blush to flush cheeks. So, if I remember, I'll try to throw up a picture of what the California Dream one looked like. I just didn't think it looked that good for me personally. So, that is what this looks like. Let me put mine away before I forget. Next, we have a little box from Chantico Beauty. We love to see that. So what is this guy? Chantico. So this is a loose duochrome pigment, which looks like this. Does it have a shade name? Nope, it sure doesn't, which I hate. Every time we get a duochrome pigment from Ice Cream Beauty, they're never like named or anything. So if I ever get another one of these from Chantico Beauty, I'm gonna have to put like a #1 sticker on this one because this is the first one that I got. But this retails for $15, and it says that this weightless loose pigment shifts colors as it moves with the light. It's pink, purples, blues, and peach shades, layered over darker shades to make it really pop. It says we have an included eyeshadow primer in the box to minimize fallout. And ooh, so Chantico just released their first palette, the Diosa Volume 1. It's a 9-pan duochrome palette, and you can get $10 off with the code Eyescream. So that's super cool. So let's see if I have a good way. I don't know what it's gonna... Oh, it's got one of these tops, which normally I pull off, but it came right out. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, that is so pretty. I love getting duochromes from Ice Cream Beauty. Like, they're always so gorgeous. So I will be very happy to have this. Let's see, next. Well, we might as well get that primer out. So this is from Appeal Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow primer, and it retails for $21. It says, lock in your eyeshadow look with this creamy, hydrating primer that enhances shadow payoff and keeps color crease free all day. Use a small amount and blend evenly across your lids before applying eyeshadow. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I did not like this primer, so I'm going to throw it in the giveaway. But I will show you what it looks like because I think the applicator is super interesting. So it's a huge eyeshadow primer. You get 15 mils of eyeshadow primer. This thing is huge. When, like, the NYX glitter glue, you get 10. So, like, it's a lot of eyeshadow primer. But just to show you, I'm not going to touch it. But it's this, like, rose gold metal applicator. It feels amazing on the skin. But I'm going to throw that in the giveaway box because I do not want that. It might be good for someone else. It just didn't work on my eyelids. I tried to make it work, but it did not. Next, we got a bonus. So we have something from Illuminati. It's a glowing lip oil, and this thing's heavy. So this is $21. It's in the shade Mauve. This hydrating lip oil gives you the perfect mix of comfort and color with a soft mauve tint and glassy shine. Wear it alone for a natural flush or layered over lip liner for a smooth, juicy finish that feels effortlessly chic. Listen, I don't need any more lip products, but I really want to try this, so... Ooh. Oh, it smells like cake. Okay. Oh, it's pretty clear. Oh my god, that's thick. And I got some of my lipstick on this, so gotta wipe off the doe foot applicator. Does that bother anybody else, like if your lipstick gets on your applicator? I know I could just use disposable ones, but like I don't wanna. Oh, that's a thick. I don't know how I feel about that. Shouldn't have swatched it. I should have just put that in the giveaway. Ugh. I'll have to try that with nothing on my lips because I do not like that. We have a bonus item, and I don't know, it says each, so maybe you were supposed to get 2, but eyebrow pencil by Base Blue Cosmetics, and I got 2 of them. This dual-ended brow pencil delivers smooth, precise color for shaping and defining, filling your brows with ease. Use short hair-like strokes and blend with the spoolie for a polished, natural look that lasts. And these are $10 each, and I did get 2 different shades. So I got shade 1 and shade 2. So let's look at them and see if I need both, want both. Can pull off both. Okay. So here's shade 1. So here's the packaging. It's just like clear, and we have the spoolie on one end. And then on the other side, this is, so it's a triangle tip, but it is so precise and fine. So shade 1 looks like a gray light brown. Let me see what shade 2 looks like, which it came a little ripped. What shade 2 look like? Because I like how cool tone shade 1 is. Shade 2. So shade 2 is a little bit warmer of a brown, but honestly, I think I could make them both work. I'm going to swatch shade 2 because shade 2 does look... Yeah, shade 1 is darker. I'm going to swatch shade 2. We'll start with that. Oh, this is a hard brow pencil. So there's shade 2, which honestly is like the perfect color for my brows. Personally, I like more of a cool tone, but like if we're going with what actually matches my hair, this works. Do I want shade 1? I'm so scared to swatch it and not want it or need it. I'm going to set this aside for now, and then I will decide. But I did swatch shade 2, so... Because I feel like eyebrow pencil is so personal, not really something I could put in the giveaway, whereas, you know, these 2 things, it's easy. I shouldn't have swatched this stupid lip oil. Last but not least in here, though, we have the palette, the huge, ginormous palette. This is from Beauty Creations, and it is The Legend. I hate the texture. It's got that glitter texture. So this is a $21 palette. It was inspired by the queen of Tejano music, Selena Quintanilla. It's a 35 shade palette that's packed with bold mattes, dazzling shimmers, and glitters that helps you create everything from everyday glam to legendary looks. Mix warm and cool tones to craft your everyday epic story. So there is no mirror, which is fine. And this is the color story. So we got some pinks, some purples, like cool tone pinks and purples, and some neutrals. And then glitters galore. This is not a palette I'm going to keep, so I'm not even going to swatch it. I'm going to throw this in that giveaway. This was not a good box for me, which is the first time that's ever happened. Normally, like, I get my Eyescream beauty box and I'm in love with it, but this was not a good one. I should not have swatched that stupid lip oil. My lips. I'm so annoyed. So then I'm going to get rid of the highlighter, which I need to tape up. I'll do that. I'm getting rid of the primer. And then I'm going to decide on that brow pencil. So I'm getting rid of half the products out the gate. I am very happy with the pigment. I always love a loose pigment. I'm going to have to try the formula. I do like the shade. It's just, it was very scratchy and hard going on. And I do not like this lip oil. Like I said, I'm going to have to try it on again with no lip products on and see if it's just thick and gloopy. But let's see. What was our total? So let me total that up for you. So we have a $133 value for the month, which is fantastic. Unfortunately, this is just not a month that was for me. So, yeah. Yeah, still haven't decided on this, but either way, you know, I am at least keeping the one, so I'll have to report back on this to you guys. But that is going to do it for the May Eyescream Beauty Box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!